Hey yo, it's your boy Umfana Nakimalanga onke guys. I'm back with another video. Today ngiphathele Nasty C be freestyler Metro FM. Let's go.
Zulu man somehow. See, when I first met Saturday, he wouldn't shake my hand. Cool. I'm not too proud to say I'm still a fan, but I held a grudge and told myself to wait till I'm the man. I'll never give that man a verse, and boy did I stick to my plan.
Woo!
Years and I declined them both. Some dumb excuse like I'm in album mode. Today I was in coward mode. And besides, those two songs are either out or old. You see, this is the best way I know how to get stuff off my chest. I'm just a disappointed kid, it's nothing more or less. But now I'm over that, and he got all my respect. If he asked me to do a verse again, it'll be my hardest one yet. Then I was out and I cried. Media run for my album is turning into a mess. If you tuned in, you could guess. They asked me if I knew shots, so they said he's one of the best. My honest response ended up being twisted up by the press. He understood that, so there's really nothing there to address. But I thought I'd speak on it to put it to rest and show that man some respect. Got something else I gotta speak on next. I think it's time I take this back to the nest. It's been a couple requests.
Back to the nest.
Hard as it was to put my pride aside, I tried to make peace. It wasn't even no beef. That was petty spaghetti. 2 weeks later, I'm disrespected and regretted already. Couldn't even get on my line. Bringing him up again. I end up saying, up from there. Something that was nothing might really turn into something there. I don't even know why we beefing, dog, but it's up again. I'm down to go either way at this point. I leave it.
Yo, man. Shit.
Up to him. And I mess with Flame and a lot of other dope artists that mess with him. But I be dumb as hell to ever put my trust in them. Yeah.
Shit. Gonna wait all smoke. Shit. Koda. Yeah. Ansile but ngokuthi angimele abatrust because akazi ukuthi bakhulumani nawe Aries ngaye. So yeah.
No, we did not. And to my two niggas I told I ride with until our hearse is closed. I won't rap about you, it's too personal. Just know you niggas hurt me though. Yeah. Oh, look, and you already said some words, and sadly there's no reversing those.
Shit. Woo! It's your boy Umfana Nakimalanga onke. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Peace out.